Welcome back to Silicophilic. I didn't notice it at first. My PC was still fast. Apps opened, files loaded, but something felt off. That instant response I was used to, it had a delay. That's when I checked my storage and what I found wasn't large files. Stuff I never asked for. That's when I realized this wasn't clutter but decay. This is what I did and how it worked. The real problem: your PC doesn't clean itself. We treat our PCs like they are self-maintaining, install apps, download files, keep working, and once in a while, maybe when things get slow, we clean manually. But here is the problem. Manual cleanup is reactive. Your system degradation is continuous. Every app you open creates temporary files, every update leaves fragments behind, and every browser session writes cache to disk. And over time, that builds into something called digital residue. You don't see it, but your SSD does. So I decided to stop cleaning manually and let the system handle itself. Here is exactly what I did. Open Settings, go to System, click on Storage. Now pause here. This isn't just a storage page. This is where Windows decides how your system ages. Inside Storage, you will see something called Storage Sense. By default, it's either off or barely configured. Turn it on. Now click on it. This is where things get interesting. Automatic cleanup. Set it like a system, not a tool. Now, you are not just cleaning files, you are defining behavior. Here is what I set. Open Storage, then head to Storage Sense. Now set Run Storage Sense to every week. Set Delete Files in my Recycle bin to 30 days. Delete files in my Download folders to day 1 or 14 days as per your choice. Doing this, you are not only deleting files, you are preventing accumulation. The SSD angle that you are actually saving. Here is something most people don't think about. SSDs don't slow down because they are full. They slow down because of write cycles. Every temporary file, every cache write is a small hit to your drive. Over time, that adds up. By automatic cleanup, you reduce unnecessary writes, you stabilize performance, you extend the life of your SSD. This isn't optimization but preservation. The Trash Data Detector Cleanup Recommendations. Now go back one step. Inside Storage, click Cleanup Recommendations. This is where things get revealing. Windows will show you large unused files, old downloads, files you forgot existed. When I opened this, I found gigabytes of files I hadn't touched in months. Not important, not useful, just there. This is what I call zombie data. Stuff that exists but serves no purpose. Delete what you don't need, but more importantly, let Storage Sense prevent it from coming back. The Cloud Shift, your infinite drive. There is one more layer most people ignore. If you use OneDrive, Storage Sense can automatically offload unused files. That means the files stay visible but don't take up local space. To enable that, go to Storage Sense settings, look for locally available cloud content, set it to 30 or 60 days. Now your system does something powerful. It manages space dynamically. Not by deleting, but by moving intelligently. The security angle nobody talks about. Most of the people never cleans their download folders, and this is what makes the system vulnerable. Let me show you something simple. Open your downloads folder, and inside this you will find old installers, PDFs and random files, and sometimes sensitive documents. Now imagine your system gets compromised. That folder becomes a data leak waiting to happen. By setting automatic cleanup, you reduce your digital footprint, you limit exposure, you build passive security. From cleanup to control. After setting this up, nothing dramatic happened. No big before and after, but over time, my system stayed fast, stable and predictable. And that's when it clicked. The goal isn't to clean your PC, the goal is to stop it from getting dirty. This is what I changed, not the hardware, not the apps. Just how my system manages itself, and it completely shifted how my PC feels. Because a faster computer isn't about power, it's about consistency. If this video helped you, like and share and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.